माजिद एंड ब्रदर्स की जानिब से नेक्स्ट जेन ईवी मोटर्स ईवी शोरूम 18 साल से कम उम्र के बच्चों के लिए बेहतरीन खूबसूरत बैटरी की गाड़ियां, जहां 35,999 से शुरू बैटरी की गाड़ियां हैं मौजूद, जिसको लाइसेंस आरसी नंबर प्लेट की जरूरत नहीं।
एंटरटेनमेंट की दुनिया से एक बहुत बड़ी खबर सामने आ रही है। प्राइम वीडियो ने भारत के लिए अपने 2026 के कंटेंट स्लेट का ऐलान कर दिया है और इस बार इनकी पूरी तवज्जो भारतीय ओरिजिनल्स और फ्रेंचाइज एक्सेप्शंस पर मरकूज है। प्राइम वीडियो के ऑफिशियल्स के मुताबिक भारत अब इनकी ग्लोबल कंटेंट स्ट्रैटेजी में एक निहायत ज़्यादा अहम किरदार अदा कर रहा है। हैरानकुन बात तो ये है कि भारतीय ओरिजिनल्स की तकरीबन 25% व्यूवरशिप दुनिया भर से आ रही है, जो कि इस बात का सबूत है कि भारतीय कहानियां अब आलमी सतह पर अपनी पहचान बना रही है। नए शोज़ और फिल्मों की बात करें तो नाज़रीन के लिए एक ज़बरदस्त लाइनअप तैयार किया गया है, जिसमें शामिल है पंचायत 5 सीज़न, फर्जी सीज़न 2, मिर्ज़ापुर फिल्म, डोंट बी शाई, स्टॉर्म, कॉल मी B2 सीज़न और दहाद सीज़न 2। प्राइम वीडियो ने भारत के लिए अपनी 4 बड़ी तरजीहात भी वाज़ेह कर दी है, जिनमें एक्सेसिबिलिटी को बढ़ाना, भारतीय कंटेंट को ग्लोबल सतह तक ले जाना, नए आईपी और फ्रेंचाइजीज तैयार करना और मूवी बिजनेस को मज़ीद फ़रोग़ देना है। आइए जानते हैं इस खसूस में मुकम्मल तफसीलात। पेश है महाराष्ट्र मुंबई से नुमाइंदा रिपोर्टर रियाज अहमद की एशियन टीवी न्यूज़ चैनल के लिए खास रिपोर्ट।
But before he comes in, I have a very important question to ask you. It's crucial and critical and it's not on the script. Are they outsiders?
Nepo kids.
Yes.
I'm so proud of you. Alright, okay. While the actors are kept under wraps then, I would like to introduce the team that made this happen. Please welcome their partner in crime on stage, Vishma Shah.
Ishan Roshan, director Ajit Pal Singh and the cast, Parvati Tiruvuttu, Alia F, Shrishti Srivastav, Rama Sharma and Sabha Azad. Okay, I want to ask a question to the team first before we get the photographs. We're really excited about Storm. It's a crime thriller with such a talented cast. It's helmed by an amazing team over here. We couldn't be more excited about the series that you guys are producing. Thank you so much.
I have the question actually. I really want to ask Ishan this question. So how do you and Hrithik settle any differences, and trust me there may be and there will be, of opinion on scripts that you'd like to make? How does that process work?
So frankly, Karan, I'll speak the truth. It is very difficult to get HR to like a story. So, he approaches the stories that he wants to produce with the same passion that he chooses them for his acting. So if I really like a story and I connect with it and I take it to him and he connects with it as well, then it's all good, we go ahead. But if he doesn't connect with it, then I have to respect that decision and I take it back. But then I keep that story with me for a few days, maybe a few weeks, maybe a few months. But if it's still bothering me and it's still haunting me, the story, then I take it back to him and I present it to him in a very different way, and then again we sit on it and we have our discussion and see the merits, demerits, how much work is required, what is it that we have to work on, and then sometimes he says yes.
But inadvertently, Ishan, I think you struck upon the Hrithik Roshan process yourself, because I think that's what he does with his own films. He says no, then it festers, then he'll call back, and then many a time it's happened that he's done that film after a gap of many months of thought and marinating, right? So I think this is a little bit of a trick you're playing with him.
Yeah, no. it's just passion. I think sometimes he sees the passion in the person who's presenting,
Right.
and the person who's pursuing it,
Right.
and then I think sometimes he goes with that passion.
Well, fantastic. All right, wow, that looked absolutely fantastic. And what, like I said earlier, what an absolutely terrific cast and such terrific filmmakers behind it. Vijay, serial killer, gangster, now you're a gambling kingpin. Seems like being an outlaw really does pay off for you. And well, how do you ensure that no two characters actually feel the same to you in your interpretation?
I mean, the stories are completely different, and this one, Matka King, is set in the 60s about a man who found a loophole in the system, and he found an enterprise and ran with it and made a massive empire and accumulated a lot of fortune, not just for himself, for his entire family. So it's a very relevant piece of history that we've forgotten, and I feel like to be able to tell this story with this incredible team and my dream director Nagaraj Manjule is an honor that I've been waiting for.
Kritika, Sai, I also wanted to ask you, both of you are such talented actresses. Can you tell us about some experiences from the shoot that really stood out for you?
Go, Sai. I think working with such fantastic team, the actors, the production house, everybody, it was a feeling of full Sangam, and that full Sangam feeling has stayed with me. Honestly, I'd like to make one confession. I've also said yes to this so that I can meet Vidya ji someday. Vidya ma'am, I'm really a huge fan, but it was a great experience, and I'm really looking forward to this one.
Well, before we proceed, I'd love to invite on stage Sahira Nair, head of Hindi scripted series, Prime Video India, on stage for a photo with the team on stage. Nikhil, of course, has to be there. Welcome on stage, Sahira.
Kritika,
Yes.
some moment that you remember.
I love this period. These 70s going into 80s, my favorite period for its fashion, for films, for music. So just to be a part of this world that we created, and the team created it so beautifully, was absolutely amazing.
किसकी हिम्मत मुझसे कुछ नहीं पूछा। मटका किंग सीरीज देखिए, पता चलेगा कौन है।
Prolific words.
Such a pleasure and delight being part of this superbly talented team. Amazing director, producer Siddharth Rai Kapoor, Amazon, together, and extremely talented actors. I've had fantastic time doing this series, and I'm very sure आप सबको ये सीरीज देखकर मजा आएगा और ये कंफ्यूजन भी क्लियर होगा मटका किंग है कौन।
Well, thank you and congratulations to the entire cast and crew of Matka King, and I'd love for everyone to give us a photo opportunity. Work as an actor. Lesser known fact, I have faced the camera with Ashutosh in a TV serial called Indra Dhanush many moons ago, like over 35 years ago. And now to see you, like, of course, such a prolific filmmaker, director and producer, amazing and internationally renowned, but as such an amazing actor, how does it feel being on set as an artist?
Well, it's wonderful because actually it's quite liberating, because as a director, you know how much time we give to our projects, and you know, we are constantly worrying about so many things in a film. I'm not saying acting is easy, but it becomes easy when you have a director like Ashwini Tiwari, who made it a cakewalk for me. I really enjoyed this part. I'm playing the part of Ravi Rajvansh, and to be collaborating with Nikhil, Prime, and Harman Baweja, who was my lead star in Monse Rashi many years ago. So it was like a coming round again, coming together again. So it's been wonderful to work with Pammi ji on this film, and I look forward. Like you said, it starts here.
Starts here, absolutely.
Thank you. All right, so I request everyone, the team of Sister
18 साल से कम उम्र के लड़के और लड़कियों के लिए अजीम पेशकश। हैदराबाद दक्कन में एक नुमाया नाम माजिद एंड ब्रदर्स की जानिब से नेक्स्ट जेन ईवी मोटर्स ईवी शोरूम, जो बहादुरपुरा चौराहा, किशनबाग रोड, हैदराबाद में मौजूद है, जहां पर आपके ख्वाहिश के मुताबिक 18 साल से कम उम्र के बच्चों के लिए बेहतरीन और खूबसूरत बैटरी की गाड़ियां मौजूद, जिसको लाइसेंस, आरसी, नंबर प्लेट की जरूरत नहीं है। इस गाड़ी को कम उम्र लड़के लड़कियां स्कूल और कॉलेज के लिए इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। इनके अलावा औरतें और सीनियर सिटीजन भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, जिसमें 10 ता 12 मॉडल्स दस्तयाब है, जिसकी कीमत सिर्फ 35,999 से शुरू होकर 86,999 पर खत्म होती है, जिसमें मोटर और कंट्रोलर की वारंटी 2 साल है, बैटरी चार्जर की वारंटी 1 साल है। ये तमाम मॉडल्स नेक्स्ट जेन मोटर्स बहादुरपुरा पर मौजूद है। मजीद तफसीलात के लिए 9246109197 या फिर 9246209197 पर रब्त करें।